Welcome to our guide on finding the best computer repair services in Dubai. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to ensure your device gets the best possible care. Whether you're dealing with hardware issues, software problems, or just need routine maintenance, these tips will help you make an informed decision. First, start by identifying your specific repair needs. Determine whether you require hardware repairs, software troubleshooting, or both. Knowing your requirements will help you find a specialist who can address your issues efficiently. Researching the type of service you need is crucial to avoid unnecessary costs and to get the right expertise. Next, check the credentials and experience of potential repair services. Look for technicians who have certifications from recognized institutions and years of experience in the field. Experienced technicians are more likely to diagnose and fix problems accurately. Don't hesitate to ask about their qualifications and past work to ensure you're dealing with professionals. Reading online reviews and customer testimonials is another vital step. Look for feedback on various platforms to get a comprehensive view of the service quality. Positive reviews indicate reliability and customer satisfaction, while negative feedback can highlight potential issues. Pay attention to detailed reviews that mention the type of repair and customer experience. Visiting the repair shop or service center is also highly recommended. A personal visit allows you to assess the professionalism and organization of the business. Observe the equipment and tools they use and ask about their repair process. A well-equipped and transparent repair center is often a sign of good service standards. Finally, consider the warranty and after-service support offered by the repair service. A warranty on repairs provides peace of mind and ensures that you won't have to pay extra if the issue recurs. Ask about the duration of the warranty and the types of problems it covers. Quality after-service support can save you time and money in the long run. Thank you for watching our guide on finding the best computer repair in Dubai. We hope these tips help you find a reliable service to keep your computer running smoothly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit the article on our website for more detailed reviews of top repair services. Stay tuned for more expert advice and guides.